Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. After outlining in my past 2 to 3 videos the possibility for the Bitcoin price action to push into the short liquidation leverage box between 105.9K and 106.3K, we finally made it today. The price, after facing multiple rejections right in front of the door of this box throughout the day, finally managed to push through. It cleared the entire box and even touched the long-standing yellow horizontal resistance line at 106.5K. After printing a local high of $106,520, just above the yellow horizontal line, buyers ran out of steam and the price faced yet another rejection, dipping to the next lower horizontal support line at the dotted 105.7K level. Now, how many times did we face rejection at this critical 106.5K level before? If we switch to the daily time frame, it becomes clear. The price was rejected at this level 8 times between December 2024 and January 2025, and again 3 times this May, before finally breaking above it and printing new all-time highs close to 112K. After 9 days of sustained levels above this resistance, we dipped below once more. Looking at the green dot on the daily chart and the long-bodied candles on the high Kinashi chart now, I believe we may have enough strength to break this level decisively again in the coming days to weeks. Checking the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can see that today, the hottest short liquidation leverage level at 106K was finally cleared off the map. The next hottest level now sits down at 103.6K. Personally, I find it highly unlikely that the price will sweep that level anytime soon, considering current momentum. Above us, however, we are looking at a massive short liquidation leverage zone stretching from 106.4K all the way up to 109.5K. Zooming into the 1-day liquidation heat map, we can observe 2 long liquidation leverage targets below us. These are sitting at 104.7K and 104.4K. While a sweep of these levels could happen in a worst-case scenario, I currently expect further upside, especially as we head into the new trading week. ETF buyers are likely lining up at the start line, ready to buy as the week opens. On top of that, Saylor has been hinting at another potential buy over the weekend, which could add further buying pressure. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.